Hey guys, it's Isa, and today I'm going to be showing you things that I bought in Daiso and Giant. So I'm in Dubai today. Yeah, we're in Dubai for now, and just yeah. So we go to Batuta Mall, and first we go to Daiso and Giant. So, yeah, so basically I'm going to be showing you things that I bought. So let's go first in Daiso. Many, yeah. So, first I bought this little pink chair. It's really cute. Then, it's like a 4X, like that, and with a rubber black in here. So it won't be sliding, just like boom. Yeah. So I thought when I seen it before I bought it, I thought this one was rolling around, like yeah, it's going to swing around. So it says in here, interior chair. Yeah, and it's pink. So example, let me get my case of my camera. So this is the case of my camera. Just imagine that it has a camera inside because I'm using my new camera. Yeah. And it's Canon. Yay! So let's put it there, and yeah, I think it's putting with the gadgets. So yeah, and at the back, it's 9 dirhams. Yeah, so that's the first that I bought. Then next, where's that? Just wait for me. Found it. So I bought that permanent marker. Read it. It does have a little bit of English. So, permanent marker. It's called red and black, and it says will not dry out for a long time with cap off. Yeah. Next, I got a slinky. It's a rainbow slinky. Hey! Cool. It's like that. So yeah. So when you put it like in the stairs, it's going to be like Then amazing thing about this is you can make it a pencil holder and a remote. Then, yeah. So open it for a while. Whoa. So yep. Then next I bought yeah. So it's kind of like you're gonna separate the colors of the balls. You can separate the colors of the balls, like orange is here, then blue is here. Yeah. So it's like that. Whee! Boom. Finish. So this is like arranging it. Then last one. It's move a ball. Brain training. How to play assort the colors by moving balls. There's a Daiso Japan. Yeah. Yep, that's right. Let's put it back. And then, wait. I bought, like, it's a game also. It's the French fries plate. So, yeah. Then it says here, who will pick the bursting potato? So if you don't know how to play this, I'm going to be showing you the instructions. So, yeah. When I bought this, it's kind of like old. That's why. But it's okay. Then it says French fries play. So, yeah. Here. So it says 7 dirhams. Nice. So yeah. Then yeah. That's all about for Daiso. That's all I bought for Daiso. Then let's clean up. Let's go to GN. Yeah. Okay. So I just put it in a little plastic. Yeah. So it's kind of like all candies. Not all. So yeah. I'm going to show you my things that I bought. So first I have this pediatric kit premium zip pouch. And it's Dr. Fresh Kids. Yeah. So the things is Dr. Fresh Gear Section Cup Toothbrush, Dr. Fresh Mint Wax 12.5 yards Floss, Toothbrush Cover 2-minute timer. So let's open it. Like with the zipper. Then just open it like that. So the amazing thing is the toothbrush like that. It's like you can stand it like this. Pew. Press it down. Press that down and it's going to stay up. Ooh. Just remove it like it's not removing. Yeah. Then this is the timer. It's a 2 minute. 2 minutes. So yeah. Just wait for a minute. Okay, so this is the timer. Turn it on. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Wee. So while we're waiting, I'm going to put this on the side. Then this is the cup of the toothbrush. Yeah. Then just put it easily, just like this. And you're done. That's the cup. Sorry about that sound. Then this is the dental floss. Just kind of, oh, the timer. Just open it. Sorry. There. It's like dental floss. Then I bought this for Tenderhunts, I think, something. And this is the kit. The Pedrigal kit. The timer is not yet done. Let's wait. Okay, going to put them back while we're waiting for the timer. Oh. Okay. Okay. Pushed it in. Yes. So it's like a cat. Almost done. It's already done. Yeah, it's done. Then next, that's the first one I bought in Giant. Next, I have a hand sanitizer. It's Purell hand sanitizer. Kills 99.99% of germs. Yeah. Then next, let's go to candies. Yay! I like candies a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so first I got this Chupa Chips Melody Pops. It's like a whistle lollipop. Then it's like you're gonna take the yeah. So it's a lollipop, just like this. And the lollipop is you're going to be blowing it, and the lollipop just looks like this on the picture. Then you just blow that, blow that, and push this thing at the bottom. So it's like woo, 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 woo. Okay, so yeah. Like that, because I've tried this. Yeah, and I like it. Then next, I bought Magic Pops. I love Magic Pops because it's like popping in your it's like popping in your when you put it with butter, it's like popping. Yeah, that's why I like it. It's like tuk 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 tuk. When you put it on your lips, and it's Magic Pops. I bought all of the flavors. Magic Pops, 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 Pops. It's a popping candy. So that's one. And yeah, I bought pink, then I bought orange. Yeah, this is orange, this is strawberry, orange, strawberry, and then I got grapes, which is very yummy, and I got Pepsi once. Yeah. This is like skating or rollerblades. And this is skateboard. Jumping. Oh, it's skating. Skating. Then this is like juggling. Yeah. So, I got all of the flavors. And the last one, I got legs. I can't find pink and violet. That's why I bought this one. It's teeny tiny crunchy candy. Teeny tiny crunchy candy. And I got the flavor wild cherry and watermelon. It's Wonka Nerds. Yeah. So yeah, that's all I bought for today. Those are Daiso Japan, then these are GX. So bye guys, I hope you like it. Yay! So don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe my channel.